Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing because I will be giving away a New Balance X Racer in your own size once I reach 12,000 subs. And I do have another giveaway. And yes, this is it guys. This is from a fellow subscriber and it's from Charles Estavelo. And he will be giving this away also, but you need to first like his page in Facebook, which is Soulmate. So yes, I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested in joining this package giveaway. Go check out Soulmate on Facebook. So there you go. Am I right, Soulmate? Let me check first. Sorry guys. Okay, let me check first. Okay, I'm correct. It's Soulmate. You see, I'm correct. Soulmate. Going to put the link down below. Sorry, bro. Sorry, Charles. I know you're watching this video. And yes, thank you for the care package. I'm going to give this away as part of my 12,000 subscriber goal. So yes, there you go. Now, what I have here, yes, I bought this last 2017 during the Manila Sneaker Expo. So this is the AM4 London, size 9, and yes, AM4 London, Adidas made for London. So this specific sneaker is made for the runners in London, and the machine, the high-tech robots, learn the specifics of the runners in London to create this specific footwear for them. Now this is like an Ultra Boost. This is an Ultra Boost 4.0. This is the AM4 London. So there you go. Look at that chunky. As you can see, it's a big midsole, boost midsole compared to a regular Ultra Boost midsole. I know you can see the difference. It's chunky and big because it offers more support and cushion. However, it is not as soft and bouncy like the Ultra Boost 4.0. And as you can see, the overall upper has a different knit upper, but this is thin, not like this Ultra Boost 4.0 which is thick. This is thin. It is much breathable. It is lighter. And yes, this AM4 is so far one of the most lightest running shoe that I ever tried in the Adidas lineup of running sneakers. This is very chunky, and yes, I love the overall design, the idea, the concept in mind of this because it's minimal. It's not the regular Ultra Boost that has the cage, that has this heavy heel cap, a thick sock-like design. This is a minimal, subtle, clean running shoe by Adidas, and it is an AM4. Now AM4, for 2 years they did a lot of creative concepts, from having a AM4 Tokyo, AM4 America, AM4 Japan, AM4 Manila. They didn't have that. We didn't have the chance. The Philippines, man, we love Boost here in the Philippines. So I'm quite sad. And knowing the production, the Speedfactory. So the Speedfactory in Germany is closing their production, and it's only until 2020. Now, the latest AM4 is the Vitality, Team Vitality, and it looks great, guys. It looks great. That concept and design of the AM4 with the Team Vitality looks Great. Now, I'm happy that Adidas is actually leaning forward to the future and they are learning from their failures. Even though, yes, the robots, the idea of the robots making this sneakers made by robots is really mind blowing. The idea of that concept is quite futuristic, but yes, Adidas is learning from their mistakes because this one didn't actually connect to the consumers. It may be because they want it to be special and hype, but somehow, some point in time, it didn't connect to the consumers. That is the problem. When it doesn't connect to the consumers, it will not sold out. You will not move forward. So I think the development of connecting their new project, the NASA collaboration, the ISS, what I said about the Ultra Boost 2020, I think it will connect. Maybe it, if the whole concept of the Primeknit upper will change on the Ultra Boost 2020, that is very important. A sneaker that will connect to the consumers, not just for the special people who needs something like this, not just for the sneakerheads, but also for everyone. That is something that will make a sneaker more friendly and will love by the community, which is very important for me. So yes, I'm just happy and sad because I thought that this will be something that I will further a further experience in the future. And Adidas 4D is there. I hope it will be more developed. And yes, there is a recycled Adidas sneaker that will be coming also in 2020. I'm also excited about that. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And yes, I also tried it, but I prefer the regular Ultra Boost. It doesn't have a continental outsole. That's why I hated it. It's not as good like the regular continental outsole because this has a better traction compared to this one. And just the look at the torsion system. I think when you use this will break down. So I prefer this one. This is a much better build, but if you want something that's very light, simple, yes, why not use the AM4? But however, this is not a consumer friendly running shoe. That is the problem. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and see you in another video.